Hey guys, welcome back to Tinselwood Farm. Today we're actually going to take the feeder out of the larger hive, and then we're going to open up the smaller hive first to see what's going on in there, see what we can do. So again, like I said, we're going to open this one up and see what we can do with it and see what's going on in here. So let's do that first. This frame is actually doing really good. It looks like this frame and the other frame before it we are continuing to get brood on there, so I know the queen is in there somewhere. But let's see if we can see the other frames. Again, looks like about 4 of our frames are starting to look good, better, and they're starting to get brood in them. Which the queen's got to be around here somewhere. I just think right now I cannot spot her. So this hive is, I believe, is doing a little bit better. So my hopes are getting up more and more every day. But other than that, I think we're doing pretty good. We're just gonna let it go and let it ride with the one box, because there still is about 5 frames that are not worked on yet. But once at least 2 more frames get worked on and started up, and we might be able to move to a second box and let them be and do their own little thing. The bigger box today we are going to open up, and I am actually going to be adding a honey super onto it, just because there's a lot of bees in there and they're getting to that point. So let's go ahead and open that one up. Like I said, today I am going to take the feeder out of this one, and they're just going to have to fend for themselves the rest of the year. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I did take the feeder out, and what it does look like is one of my frames is out of place. So I'm going to try to put that back in place and see what we can do. By what I mean when I mean out of place, as you can see that it's not in the wooden frame anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to pop that right back in there to try to get that set back in there. So with this hive being so strong and then there's really nothing in this comb, I'm actually going to be removing this part because I don't want them to build like this. So I'm not actually gonna go deeper into the bottom box. It looks like they are working on their last frame in the bottom box, and they are already making brood in the top frame or the top box. So I'm not too worried about the bottom. So that I'm just gonna let go until this spring. When the spring comes along, I'm gonna take it all out. I'm gonna clean it up, or I might just leave it. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and put a super on, and hopefully, maybe by fall we can get some honey. And there you go. We got a honey super on the bigger hive. Now I probably could have gone another week or so without doing anything, but there was only about 4 frames left, and 7:10 rule. I just wasn't gonna get out here early enough to put another one on. But other than that, that's what's going on today. So this hive is doing really good today. So again, that is what's going on. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and then there will be more videos to follow. So let's all have fun. If you're a new beekeeper, be safe. And all I gotta say is, all it is a testing experiment. No one beekeeper has all the answers. Everybody's got to do it at their own pace, and that's about it. So again, thank you for watching Tinselwood Farm. Again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for more videos.